welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video I'm going to do a quick installation process of these beautiful crochet twists that you see right here. So to start off with the prep process, what I'm doing here is just taking out my little bitty edges to have just like for some swoop action when the twists are installed. My mom was kind enough, like always, to prep my hair for me. So she did basically some individual braids, but she connected them piece by piece. Like once she parted them out, just so it would have like a little bit of parting space showing, but it would also be flat. This works well because it keeps your your crochet twist secure, and it keeps it flat. So I really like this concept of installing the crochet twist. So shout out to her for assisting with it, and I'm going to show you guys in slow-mo like what it looks like once it's finished, in case you want to try this out yourself. She only went so far back on my head, and then the rest is just straight braided. Here is the packaging of the twist. They were sent over from Janet Collection. They sent over 4 packs, but I'm going to use 2 packs and then just like a quarter of the 3rd pack. So you really don't need that many, and also if you have a smaller head, you probably don't need that many in your head anyways. The back of my head is a lot more full than the front, of course. So this is what my hair looks like before I install the crochet. You see how it's the 4 big braids towards the back, but since I know I'm going to wear my hair down, but it can also be worn up, you don't have to necessarily worry too much about the back, but you can if you would like to. But this process works great for me, and it's super quick. It keeps the installation process time down to a minimum, probably about 20 minutes max to do this braid look. So of course you'll need the crochet tool just to get the hair to go underneath your braids. And I'm doing like a slow-mo installation here so you can see exactly how it's done in case you've never seen it before. But crochet twists have a loop in them, and you open it up and stick the needle in, and then once you pull it through your hair, you will tuck the end part of the twist or braid through that loop and just pull it tight. It's basically kind of like tying a slight bow or knot. It is the most easiest thing the hair community could have ever come up with crochet installations. I absolutely love it, and it's so easy. Like I remember being young, getting twists in my hair or braids, and it would literally take 2 hours minimum, and this style will take you under an hour to complete. And if you're like really good at it, you're really used to it, you can like do it super fast. So I did the front. I installed the front. My mom was in a hair giving mood this day. So she did the back. But I did the front so quickly, y'all. Like I know I did that in less than 30 minutes. It probably took me about probably 15 minutes, to be honest, just to get all of the twisting in the front. It could have been quicker than that, but probably 15 minutes for sure. So I'm just going to do each section, and as you can see, it allows your hair to look like you have individuals done. So I'm going to speed up the process here because of course it is repetitive, but hopefully this part helps you out if you've never seen them done before. But I highly recommend trying out this hair, y'all. I was super duper impressed. I've gotten the most compliments on this hair. Also, a lot of people do not even believe that it's crochet. They didn't think that's what it was, so that's great. But I'm like, yeah, girl, these are some crochet twist here. These are not done individually. I slapped these on in my head in under an hour. Very easy process. And I also love that you don't have to use so many packs in your head. And I'm on the bigger headed side, y'all. And I did not have to use all 4 packs that were provided, which is great because now I can redo my hair with the additional packs that I have left over. So if you get 4, you'll probably get to wear these twice. And they've also lasted really well. Right now that I'm recording this video, I've had them in for a week now, and they still look really, really good. So shout out to Janet Collection, okay? So that was how they were installed today. This was a very, very, very easy and quick process. I feel like anyone can do it, especially if you're a beginner. Shout out to my mama for braiding my hair as well. She was very, very helpful with making it look more part friendly. You have a little bit more scalp showing in each one, and it's also super easy to style. I am going to show you guys about 2 or 3 styles that you can put the hair in, but definitely check out these twists if you are interested in trying some crochet looks. I will have the direct link in the description bar below for the purchase area. I'm going to show you guys just a few styles, probably like 4 styles that you can wear this hair in, but you know, you can be as creative as you would like. These styles are endless, but I just want to show you what I came up with. So yeah, if you guys are interested in these twists, make sure you check out the description bar below, because I will have links for you to be able to purchase these twists. All right. I do want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave me a thumbs up and also subscribe and leave me a comment as well. Thank you again to Janet Collection for sending over today's twist, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.